Angela.
Hi.
Today we are going to make cellophanes on the window, rainbow ones.
That's right. I'm Angela.
And I'm the little baby.
And that's our doggy, Rai.
Say hi. He's cute, huh? He's smelling you.
We are going to be making cellophane rainbows. We've been walking around in our neighborhood and seeing a lot of rainbows on the window to make people smile and make them feel happy during these times. And so we thought we would do one on our own window, right? And so what's the first thing we need?
Dish soap and a Scrubby Dub Dub.
Yeah, dish soap and a Scrubby Dub Dub, also known as a sponge. And then we'll also need cellophane. So what we did is we cut up some of our cellophane before.
We're sisters.
Sisters. And we cut them into little squares. You can either do that before or you can do it during. We have red, yellow. What other colors do we have?
Red, yellow, green, blue, pink.
So you can either take the sponge and go on the window, the height and the width of your rainbow, or you can just dip the cellophane directly into the soap and water. I'm just dipping it, you can kind of see, I'm dipping it into the water. I feel like that's kind of a little bit easier because then you can put it directly on the window. You can kind of see, it's super easy. You just put the cellophane into the water, and then you start to do it. So Tallie did this a little bit before we started the video. Tallie, you want to share a little bit about rainbows and what you love about them?
Well, rainbows, when you go past them and you see them for real, it makes you kind of happy. And you pick what color you are today, and you say blue, green, yellow, pink.
Whatever color you want. You know what's great about this too is if they fall off, you can just get them a little wet again and put them directly on the window. Okay, do you want to share a little bit more about this project, Tallie?
One time I saw a rainbow.
One time you saw a rainbow?
Yeah.
Was it a big rainbow?
Yeah, but it wasn't like in the window. It was for real.
Oh, outside?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Yeah, sometimes we see rainbows, a lot of times after rainstorms too. All right, so I'll show you guys our rainbow. Ta-da! There's our rainbow. We put some red, some pink, some yellow.
Want to see how to ride?
All right.
He always wants to.
He does always.
All right,
let's thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
We hope you make your own rainbows and enjoy them and have a great day.
Bye.